Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create appointments in Microsoft Outlook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the calendar icon, and then right-click on whatever day you want to create an appointment for, and select where it says New Appointment. At this point, you go ahead and select the start and end time, as well as the location and the title of the appointment. And where it says show as up at the top, you can go ahead and select if you want to set it as busy or out of office, if you would want to make that selection, as well as if you want to set a reminder for yourself so many days and weeks beforehand, and you want it to recur every so often. So if you want to set it to recur, you can. You can also set the priority of the appointment as well. And if you want to forward this to other users, which can be very important, you select the forward button and you can type in different email addresses or groups you'd want it to be sent to. And that's pretty much it. You would select the send button, obviously, to go ahead and send it at that point. And that's about it. So a pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.